Me, Jane, reading response. I can statements. So in order to have this read to you, you need to go up here to this little speaker button. You're going to click on the speaker button and this bar will show up. You then need to make sure you press play.
Me, Jane.
And it will read to you. This is your table of contents. So you have Me, Jane, book link, which is on slide 3. And if you click on this link right here, it'll give you the option to go to slide 3. And then you can go back and forth. So then you have lesson 1 on slide 4, lesson 2 on slide 5, lesson 3 on slide 6, lesson 4 on slide 7, and lesson 5 on slide 8. So let's go to slide 3. You need to click your button up here and then press play, and it'll read you these words. And then to play your video, all you have to do is press the play button on the video.
Me.
And it will read the story for you. You'll be able to see the pictures and follow along. Lesson number 1, again, you just go up here and press your button so you can listen to what the instructions are. You're going to listen to the story Me, Jane by Patrick McDonnell. Look closely at the pictures as you are listening to the story and pay attention to the background and the setting. Ask yourself, what is happening and how does it make you feel? Look carefully at all of the details. And then you're going to click the link that's down here, this blue link, and you're going to do your reading response to the following questions. So question number 1 is describe the impact Jane's sketches have on the book. And number 2 is why do you think the author used real pictures at the end of the book? So I'll show you when we click on that, it'll bring up this button. You'll be able to go to that page where you can answer your questions at. Make sure you're using full sentences. Okay. All right, lesson 2, it says, I can observe like Dr. Goodall. So remember to go up here and click your button so you can press play to listen to the instructions when it is your turn to do the work. It says, so you're going to listen to the story. You're going to select a person, animal, or object to observe and click the link below to write 3 sentences that describe what you have observed. So right here's your blue link. You're going to click on it, click on the link, and it will bring you to your page where it gives you your instructions again to write 3 sentences to describe what you have observed about your person, animal, or object. Lesson number 3. Remember, here's your button. Make sure you use it and click on it when you want to have this read to you. So then you will come down here and you will do your reading response for lesson number 3, which is you're going to listen to the story. Then you're going to give an example of what Jane observed. You're going to give an example of what Jane sketched. And then you're going to give an example of what Jane dreamed as a child. So click on your blue link. It'll take you to the page. And you will be able to give your reading responses. Lesson number 4. Remember, here's your button to make sure you can listen to what your instructions are. Jane followed her interests. What are your interests? Write 3 sentences or more and tell me what you are interested in. So here's your link. Click on it. It'll take you to your page where you are going to write 3 sentences or more telling me what you are interested in. And lesson number 5. You're going to click the link below to take the comprehension check. Again, here's your button to listen to the instructions, and then you can click the link. It'll go to it. And there is your comprehension check. Make sure you answer all of the questions.